Hi, this is Louis from the Eyethu team, and welcome to the Course Coordinator Guide for the Eyethu Learner App. In this video, we will cover everything you need to know about managing the courses you facilitate, as well as creating and managing your students and assignments. Please be sure to watch the three-part student guide series to have a full understanding of the basics, as well as how students interact with the Learner App and how the system can provide you with valuable feedback on how students are interacting with your assessment content. We'll start here with the coordinators page. Similar to the student's view of their courses, on the coordinators page, you will view all the courses that you have been assigned with facilitating, and switching between these tabs at the top will allow you to display and edit the relevant information. On the right-hand side here, we see a tab for video lessons. This is where you as a facilitator can upload new video lessons that have been added to the official Eyethu Learner YouTube account. Simply do so by clicking New Video and giving the video a title and pasting the unique YouTube ID here. This will make the video accessible to all students assigned to this course. Just below the video lessons here, we see forums. The view also looking similar to how students would see these forums. The primary difference being that you, as the facilitator, have the ability to flag comments as favored. This feature has been provided in order to make it easy for new forum readers to quickly find the answer to whatever question is being posed in the forum. This tool can also be used for informal class discussion and to generate student usage of the Learner app. Next on your coordinators page, you will see this enrolled table. This table is used to easily add and remove students from the Eyethu Learner pool. Students can be deleted by clicking this bin button here, and to add a student, simply select them from this list and hit Add Student. Administrators also have access to this function and can assist with setting up students to courses. Lastly, right at the bottom, and perhaps most importantly, is the course calendar. You can click here on New Date to add new important dates to your courses. This will send a notification to all students an email notification to all students currently assigned to this course. We can also add important dates like exams and on-site assignments. Again, creating a date here will send an email notification to all currently assigned students. Another interesting feature is once an event has been created, you will be able to click on it on the calendar itself and edit the start date, add details. That finishes off our coordinators page. If you have any more questions, please do not hesitate to get hold of an Eyethu Learner App administrator. Next, we'll move on to assignments. You, as the facilitator, have the ability to create assignments and class tests. Simply navigate to the assignments page and click on one of the Create buttons. Assignments are relatively simple as they require minimal information to get started. However, class tests can sometimes be a bit more complex. Creating a class test takes place in two phases. The first phase, adding the details of the class test, similar to the details that we will see on the assignments page. The course that this class test belongs to, the title, a time limit, the number of attempts that a student may take, a short description, and the due date, after which a class test will not be able to be submitted anymore. Once you have finalized the details of the class test, it's time to add the questions. This is the question builder. I'll quickly run through an example of how questions are created in class tests. It's important to remember that all class tests must either be of a true or false or multiple choice nature. This allows the app to calculate the student's mark upon finishing the class test. So here I'm going to go and type a question. Then, using the enter key, I can type several answers to the question. Answer 1, and then I'm going to hit enter. I'm going to type answer 2, and then I'm going to hit enter, type answer 3, and then hit enter. The last thing to do when adding a new question is to select which of your answers is the correct one. In this case, I'm going to say answer 2 was correct. Then we add the question. You'll see now we have the ability to delete and move the question up and down in the class test. Once you're done, you can just go ahead and open the class test. Opening the class test will add a date notification to all currently assigned students, as well as add it to your course calendar, seen here on the assignments page, on your dashboard, and on your coordinators page. Remember, with a class test, although students will be given the opportunity to submit multiple attempts, they will not know which answers were correct and which were incorrect. This has been done to minimize cheating and create an opportunity for post-assessment engagement with students. For example, a student might attempt on his first attempt, receive a bad mark, and then try the test again and receive a better mark. The student might not know which answers were wrong and which were correct, but this can be discussed in class the following day. That concludes this all-inclusive guide to managing your courses as a facilitator with the Eyethu Learner app. Thanks again for watching, and stay tuned for more features being released soon.